Gateway provisioning starts in EasyEdge Studio. In this example, the system already has a Linux standard EdgeNode installed. We'll now add an additional EdgeNode using the containerized installation method. After choosing Docker container, click Next and go to the Edge configuration step. Name the gateway, select architecture, and set the installation path. You can also add metadata at this stage, then simply proceed to complete the wizard. EasyEdge gives you a single install command. Just copy the command from EasyEdge Studio and run the command inside your container environment. In seconds, the gateway pulls everything it needs and sets up the EdgeNode. No extra steps. The gateway comes online in EasyEdge Studio, ready for you to start engineering your project. From here, everything happens in the cloud. Cloud-native engineering, edge-optimized execution. Thanks for watching.